Okay, here is the problem. Find domain of r cos of 1 plus x minus x square. Okay, same problem. Okay. Okay, find the domain of r cos within the bracket 1 plus x minus x square. A viewer posted this problem to the social media Quora, to my account. Okay, this is the queries of that viewer. Okay, now I am solving this problem here. See, let us assume like a theta is equal to r cos means cos inverse. Okay, cos inverse of 1 plus x minus x square, and that is equal to cos theta. This is 1 plus x minus x square. We know the domain of cos theta is lies between -1 to +1, and that is implies that -1 within the bracket 1 plus x minus x square. Okay, now see, this is a very interesting problem to all of you. See carefully how can in what technique we follow this here. So this is a very important point here to finding the domain. See carefully, a very interesting point. So see, here is the greater than -1. Okay, when -1 less than equal to 1 plus x minus x square, and that is minus x square plus x plus 2, and this is more than equal to 0, and this is x square minus x minus 2 is less than equal to 0. If we factorize, then we got here that is x minus 2, and this is x plus 1 less than equal to 0. Now draw the number line, so it would be very easy to finding the domain here. So this is here 2, so this is 1 and 2, this is your point 1, this is your 2. If we find if we take 0, then we got here -1, so this is your -1. So this is the easiest technique to finding the domain. So this is a number line here. Okay, there is a here is a region, this is less than -1, this is more than +2, and in between -1 to +2. So which region is satisfied? Okay, so now if we take up any point in between minus infinity to -1, so that would be a -1.1. So if we put here -1.1, we got here negative, and same as negative. So two negatives, if multiply, the sign is, we got here positive, but does not satisfy here. So the region less than -1 does not satisfy here. So now if we take greater than -1, so like minus 0.9, if we put here, this is we got here negative, but here is positive. So negative into positive is negative, so it is satisfied. So you have take the condition, this is x greater than -1, so also equal to would be satisfied here. And now if we take this is here greater than 2, that is 2.1, but 2.1 here is positive, and also 2.1 is positive, so does not satisfy the condition. We not get the sign less than 0, so we can't take more than 2. So if we take less than 2, that is approximately 1.9. So if we put our 1.9, we got here negative, and this is here positive, so it's satisfied. So we can we can take x less than 2 here. So therefore in that case, therefore we get here the domain from -1 to +2. This is number one case. So after there was some history, this is we get here the domain. After that we take this is less than 1. So what happens, see here, we have to find the common region of these two interval. Now take sign less than 1. So here 1 plus x minus x square, this is less than 1. So now 1 cancel, so you take here common x from this. So this is a 0. Now again we take here 0. So draw the number line. So this is x is equal to 0 and this is x equal to 1. So which region is satisfied here? So okay, this is the 3 region. If we take less than 0, if we take less than 0, that would be minus 0.1, minus 0.1, this is negative, minus 0.1, this is positive. Okay, so negative into positive, satisfied. So the condition here is x less than equal to 0 with the part of the domain of this condition. And now if we take so as this satisfies less than 0, so not satisfy more than 0, so don't need it to take the interval 0 to 1. Okay, now we have to take the region, this is more than 1. So like 1.1, if we put here 1.1, so we got here positive, but 1 minus 1.1, it is a negative. So you can take the domain which is more than 1. Therefore for that region, so it is goes to less than 0 to what interval? To minus infinity. And from x is greater than 1 to what interval? This is for positive infinity. So this is implies that, so this is actually less than 0 to infinity, and here is x is here greater than 1 to less than infinity. Okay, so this region is satisfied. Now what is the common domain of this 1, 2, 3? Okay, we have to find the intersection part of this region. So now we draw number line system and we want to plot a region where this is satisfied. If we take minus 1 to 2, so this is here minus 1, 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the region. So we set the region like that, and this is here 1 actually. Okay, and this is here 0. After that this is minus 1 to 0. So this is minus 1 to 0. This is minus 1 to 0 means this region. So 2, 0 up to. So this is the okay. So common region here is minus 1 to 0 here. Okay, again 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity. So this is your common region. So which is the double intersecting part is minus 1 to 0 and 1 to 2. This is your domain. So therefore the required domain is actually x equal to minus 1. So this is equal to minus 1 to 0 and 1 to 2. This is here equal to 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so this is the domain. Okay, I think all you better understand. Very interesting question. See careful. Okay.